أظهرت مشاهد بثها الإعلام الحربي لجماعة أنصار الله في اليمن ملابسات استهداف السفينة ماجيك سيز وإغراقها، ويبرز الفيديو ما قيل أنه رفض طاقم السفينة التجاوب مع كل النداءات والتحذيرات كل النداءات والتحذيرات قبل التعامل معها عسكريا، ثم اقتحامها من القوات الخاصة البحرية ولاحقا غرقها بالكامل في مياه البحر الأحمر.
Full Magic Seas. This says Yemen Naval Forces calling you on Channel 16. How do you read me? Over. Full Magic Seas with call sign Delta 5 Golf Papa 6. This says Yemen Naval Forces calling you on Channel 16. How do you read me? Over. Full Magic Seas with call sign Delta 5 Golf Papa 6. This says Yemen Naval Forces calling you on Channel 16. Captain, you have to decrease the speed of the ship and stop the vessel to checking the security action. For your ship safety and your crew safety, you have to stop the ship immediately. Otherwise, you will bear other responsibility. I repeat, you have to decrease the speed of the ship and stop the ship immediately to check security action. For your ship safety and crew safety, stop the ship immediately. Over.
Magic says this vessel is engaged in lawful passage and requests you do not impede my safe passage. Over.
Vessel Magic Seas. This is Yemen Naval Forces calling you on Channel 16. I will repeat for the last time. Captain, you have to decrease the speed of the ship and stop the vessel immediately to check security action. For your ship safety and your crew safety, stop the ship immediately. I repeat, stop the ship immediately. For your safety and your crew safety and ship safety, you have to stop the ship immediately. Over. Captain, if you keep ignoring Yemen Naval Forces contact and instructions, you will bear other responsibility. I repeat, if you keep ignoring Yemen Naval Forces contact and instructions, you will bear other responsibility. Over.
Delta 5 Golf Papa 6. The vessel needs immediately assistance. Mayday, mayday, mayday.
What type of assistance you need?
Rescue. The vessel will be abandoned. I need rescue for my crew. The vessel was hit by Houthis and will be sunk.